Look, see, it says here on the sign, Municipality of Barla, Nassau and Holland. Look, see that line here? That line, that's the Netherlands. Just a single meter from here, that's our country. Say we reverse here now, yeah, but here we go again. Nobody home, really nobody home. I wasn't home indeed, I'm standing on the border now. Wow, you can't see anything of the city at all. No sign, nothing. What do you expect here? That the border is a clearly visible line. Yeah, isn't it weird? There's not just a sign saying, hey, you're in the Netherlands now. Why does that have to be everywhere? The trend is just, yeah, but not everywhere are highways. We're driving a car here. There's no highway anymore. 1111 is, I'm allowed to drive a car here. I think this map was made just for this road back when the border. So this road is really old. The one we're on must be, that's Belgium. And those trees, that's Belgium too. This road is only the Netherlands, bizarre. Okay, now we're getting to that barbed wire thing. Look at this, oh look at someone here. You don't need to, this isn't it. It's not the three-country point. And here you had you've got deer. Let's take a look, don't just go through there. This is not a three-country point. So it's not the three-country point, this is deadly. So don't be startled, why are you bummed today? Is it the weather? Yeah, it's awful, and your presence too. What? My presence looking through the barbed wire.
Dot and Red is located in a place you don't know, but never mind.
This is the electric wire barrier from World War I. As it works, kids,
What? No, never mind.
oh, it's a peace monument.
Look at that.
But where was this before I get here? You can read it, I don't have to read it for you. This country free, the Netherlands, nothing going on. Belgium, German occupation. The first time, these are the original things they found in the field, all original. And they put them back in the original places too, pretty special. Yeah, this corner here, the Netherlands sat in a little corner here, really weird. Wow, joy a giraffe, then I thought that was a long drive. So nothing new because we're back at the border. Free again or not, what about you? You said we'd drive to the three-country point and you wanted those countries. No, you like this, look. Plants, water, what are they? This is 350 meters, this is 3 meter 50 above sea level or below. So Rotterdam, I think below, we're in South Holland or something like that. Then everything's on the way, come on, park very properly too. Neat, it's all neat, you can park just fine. Look, so much water everywhere here, the city where you normally just walk. Yeah, maybe act normal, maybe you're dead. So what, you like this? If I say we're in the Bees Bosch, Melvin got fat, yeah, and sloppy, I look like a gutter, yeah, but it doesn't matter what we got, you know, sometimes in life things go differently than you expected. With a few setbacks, things can go wrong and you end up, well, back to your cardboard box. Anyway, what you see here is a beautiful slab in the wild. You see it down there, yes you do. If you stand around the corner, there it is, turn, bend, lie, savor the silence, confused among the wild bushes. I'll watch these images back when I'm 50 and think what a ride. Or you'll think, why, he was a pawn, yeah, young and handsome. And then I'll think I stayed well preserved, yeah, roughly.
One day we'll go to watch ourselves, see where they both
are. Here you can take the ferry for her safe and home turn. Thanks for the little ferry anyway. Well, no problem, next time overview you wait. Still, I think you need more, yeah. Think you need to be on the water with someone too. For example, one, or exactly that one, yeah. I don't know if someone needs to be paid in kind. And that guy does nothing, lights off, handbrake on. So we can still, yeah, go home then. We have to, you don't fit behind it anyway. I don't dare because on the right, that as I do think it's an adventure. But I just don't know when things will get cold again. Like only for cutting in line, but also you don't, but yeah, it's totally fine.